Okay, this is just a quick video, this is from today, and this is why you need to check them earth pins on the Icos and Isars. I don't think I've seen too many of these in the flesh in my career. I think it's the second or third one, but when they go, they do go. So this was blowing fuses. Another engineer had fit a couple of boards on it and a fan, but he'd failed to check that. But just remember, that's why we're meant to check them. So basically, as you can see here, what happens is that earth pin just moves away and allows that insulation panel to fall down into the heat exchanger, and obviously the burner fires downwards, and the burner basically then melts its way through the back there, and the harness for the fan and the some of the NTC sensor overheats run up the back there, and it melts through them, which is why this boiler was blowing fuses. So if you ever get one blowing a fuse, just take the fan and burner off and check that.